I don't got no time for no maybes. Me and Zy, we go way back. Hitting bitches since way back. Don't say you love me, you don't mean that. Say fuck 12 and free Kojak. Used to hit the list and run a 4 flat. Say me and my...
What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Zy, and y'all know I'm back with another video. Hey, before we get any further, man, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to your boy. Help me help you. I'm doing a lot of giveaways on this channel. Like I said, 2K subscribers. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna give y'all all the info y'all need to go. Y'all need to enter this giveaway. Sorry about that. But yeah, y'all already know what we doing from the title. Y'all gonna see the transformation. 3 months. 3 months lock, y'all, boy. 3 months. Y'all want to go back and see the first set of locks I had, y'all can go back and see them. But before we get into y'all watching me get my locks done, which it's not that long because I didn't really record how I wanted to. But before we get into that, I want to talk to y'all about products and moisturizing. How important this is. Okay, I just want to start off by saying, well, for those of you that don't know, because I know it's a lot of people that DM me, and I don't have that much of a following right now, but you know, I got some people that been here since day one. So yeah, moisturize. People did not know that, you know, using oil is really keeping, well, not just oil, keeping your hair moisturized promotes hair growth, and drinking a lot of water. I drink a lot of water, but my face been breaking out a lot from other stuff I was using, you know, transitioning from stuff, transitioning to vegan. So there's a lot of stuff going on with me right now. But yeah, let's get into these products. So what everybody naturally use when they start their locks is Jamaican Mango and Lime. And nothing wrong with it. It just, you know, it smells good. It works, but it just don't work for everybody here. So another alternative y'all can use, and I used it on this retwist that I got done, is Tropical Roots. I don't know if all y'all know about it. Why is it so bright? Tropical Roots. It's good. I mean, smells good. It's a pinkish color. This is not the firm one. This is just the regular one. I seen people using the firm one because I had looked up the reviews. You know me, I ain't about to go buy nothing and waste my money. But then this really works good. I mean, if y'all don't see other YouTubers using one of these products, I don't know what they use. Demi Soul, she used it. I didn't see Gunther do a review on it yet, but I seen a few other people. So yeah. And what I really been using, y'all, let me show y'all. So really, when I first started this, I was just using some I think black castor oil, but I stopped. And then I had got this right here, I don't know how to say this lady name, Talia Waji, I think that's how you say it. I had got this, and this was working. But I just felt like it was, I don't know, so thick. Then I end up getting some raw aloe vera, and I mixed it up in here. It's probably stink, because when I had used it last time, that boy was stink. Oh, it's not. The oil done, you know. But I put this in my hair, like, I get my cap. This is not the cap I normally wear. I just had put this on so my things can lay down, and I'm going to show y'all this at the end, because I didn't get a full 360. But anyways, I mixed this up, and I didn't get no retwist. I kept my hands out of my head unless I was moisturizing my scalp. With that being said, moisturizing and playing your hair is two different things. When you put oil in your hair, you know, you massaging it in, you know, getting it to your scalp. Not messing with your dreads, not twisting it, because I got to the point now where, especially now that, you know, we had the baby and I'm not at work right now, because y'all know I'm a technician, so I be out there in the sun sweating and stuff, and my hair is like real curly, so it slips up. Anyways, I put that in, and I just be chilling. I have my cap on all day, like, and I ain't been going nowhere, so I don't been having to get my hair done, like. So really, I just been keeping oil in my hair. I probably moisturize my hair probably, if not twice a week, probably once. We're probably in the beginning of the week and then at the end of the week. So you got to keep your hair moist, especially if y'all outside in the sun, but it's getting ready to be fall time now. So, but what I transitioned to, oh yeah, and I got to show y'all this too. This right here really does take out buildup in your hair. I don't know why people keep bashing Jamaican mango and lime. Yes, it does cause buildup if you use too much of the product. Like, that's with anything. If you use, well, that's not with any, I can't say that. But if you use too much of, let me show y'all, because this is not, this right here is thick. This is some, I just got this just to see. I mean, it all depends on your type of hair. Y'all can't go by everybody review. Like, you have 3C, BC, whatever that, you know, your different types of hair, man. You can't go by everything because everything not gonna work for everybody here. But I'm just showing y'all what I use. This also is another product by Murray's that works well too. So if you can't afford this, because this is almost $6 and this is $5, $4.99. And this, I don't remember how much this was, but I think this is the cheaper one. Both of these are the cheaper ones, and both of them work good. So products. And if y'all want me, I'm doing a giveaway, and I think I'm gonna do like two things for subscribers that's, you know, pertaining to dreads, and then I might give away like 2 Apple cards or something like that. So yeah, but what I recently just started using is this beauty stuff right here from not beauty stuff, but this luxurious stuff right here from Nia the Loc guy. And when I tell y'all, no kids, you know, I've been seeing her on Instagram, and I was like, dang, everybody here that's getting, everybody that got locks, and they hair is just progressing, growing. I'm talking about starter locks. They just got them 3 months. They started off like this. And I'm talking about their hair is long. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, if y'all want some good oil, I mean, it got all natural stuff in here. If y'all can see, it's all natural. Everything natural. Even everything in here, and they shampoo is natural. Like, I just got it. Like, I just got my hair done. They got oil, shampoo, this hydration mist, like everything. But yeah, this is basically my essentials that I use to moisturize my hair. And I might do like a little aloe vera, keep it in my hair, like get the plant, cut it up, and put it in my hair and put my caps on. Leave it just like that. All this stuff is good for your hair, but yeah, I really don't have nothing bad to say about Jamaican mango and lime, but this is just some moisturizing stuff that y'all need, and some products, tips and stuff of what I use. I just really thought I should let y'all know before, you know, y'all go look at this video. Well, the rest of the video, but yeah, these are my products. And if y'all want maximum growth with anything, try to keep your hair, you know, moisturized, especially like in the summertime, y'all outside. Like, moisturize your hair, that's a big part. So y'all go ahead and watch this video and stay tuned for the 360 of the hair. Y'all can tell from the title, your boy about to get this 3-month retwist, get these things.
Oh, he needs some milk
right now. So yeah, y'all gonna sit here, should be satisfying. They really locking up, as y'all can see. Need some locksmithing done, but yeah, I'm about to get these bad boys washed and done, because it's well needed. But man, if y'all haven't, man, make sure you subscribe, man. We're on the road to 5K. What's up, y'all? I didn't record this time because, you know, our room kind of junk. Y'all see we got the baby stuff everywhere, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a little 360 of it before I take clips out. I might do like get it like a little 2-strand twist or something. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the whole 360. Okay, y'all, I just took the majority of the clips out. Give y'all a little quick little 360. I left these in there just so until I finish getting it done, but Yeah, these boys by my ear now got a little shape, Y'all see little shape? Yo, hey, stay tuned. I got some more. So yeah, y'all done end up getting a little 2-strand twist. I got one lock that's more than, you know, 2, so I had to put this one in 3. Probably look kind of weird right now, but it look more spiffy once, you know, they get longer. So I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little 360 of my, you know. Now I'll put my cap on, you know, so they can stay laid down. $360, y'all. I was really surprised that these things were staying like this. Like they when I first got them done, I did not like them. Like I was like, nah, I ain't feeling this. I need to just brush my sides down. But I'm gonna just give y'all a raw look. Like I just took my cap off, as y'all seen. When y'all see it in the video, y'all gonna be like, dang, them just sticking up. But then, you know, y'all looking at this right now, so I'm gonna stop talking and give y'all a little 360. So yeah, this is a look. Yeah, when you get your locks, man, you just gotta vision it. Like this is a whole process. Like if y'all really down for this lock journey, man, like you really gotta buckle up and just say, look, I ain't gonna worry about what nobody's saying. I'm just gonna let my locks grow, flourish, do what they do, because this is a journey. This is a learning process. Like you're gonna learn so much. Like doing this whole thing, your boy got monetized. So I really want to thank everybody that's been supporting me from the jump. Like I got monetized, and you know, y'all stay in my videos, watching for your boy. I promise you I'm gonna be giving back to y'all, because y'all the reason that your boy got monetized. Like no bull. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. I got more content. And if y'all want to be in my reaction to my I'm doing a reaction to my subscribers lock. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to that. DM me on Instagram. Click the description box. My Instagram is in there. It's thereal.KingZyy. DM me pictures, videos of your locks, and I'm gonna do a reaction to it. Or y'all can hit me up on Snapchat. All that is in the description box, man. Make sure if y'all have not subscribed, subscribe to your boy. Help me, you know, help me help you. Doing giveaways, so yeah, y'all let me know. Hey, it is what it is. You did what I say. Hey, bro, we out, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video.